What's up, guys? Today we have an iPhone S Plus that had a connector um, broken. Um, as you see, the touch is not functioning, nothing. So let's try to go open the phone cover up. So we open the cover up phone up and try to take a look. What's wrong with it? So let's go under the microscope to see clearer. So, listen. So let's try to take this dust rubber gasket out so we can see clearer what's going on. So you have image, but touch doesn't work. Let's see what's going on. Look like we're missing a filter right there. Right here. This one's fine. Fine. Maybe two, one here and one here. Yeah, maybe yeah. Let me see over here. Let's take this off. Now let's go to the XW. Let me zoom in a little bit. Let me see if I can show you guys. Oh, yeah. What's going on? Come on. Okay. So as you can see is it. Let's go to ZXW and let's see if we can find that filter. Okay, let's go to that. This will be this one over here. Oh, that's a cap. Come on. So bottom one. So this is a cap. So let's see, one. Let's see. Try to count this correctly. I think we're missing this one right here. The fifth one. So we're missing the fifth. touch clock filter. So we're missing this one, that's why it's no touch. And let's go back to microscope. So as you can see, we're missing this filter right here. So count here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so we're missing this filter, the touch filter. This is the SPI AF to touch S clock connection. So this one is a data line to the CPU. It's telling you what's been touched. So you go to monitor screen, and as you can see, it's right here. This one. So all we need is to replace this filter, and the touch should be functioning again. So we need to replace this filter. Usually this is due to prior damage, like technician prior damage or someone else doing it, the work. And basically you want to use something like a plastic tool to remove the connector instead of using a metal, spatula or something like that. That could easily break it. So 6. Yeah. It's an iPhone 6 right here. Let's go find a touch filter that we can transfer over. Oh. Hey, you found one. Yep, that's a filter. So now we're going to transfer over. Oh, don't lose it now. Damn it. Oh, come back. Not enough space. a mess. Come on. Come on. There's not enough space for the tweezers to come in. It's unbelievable. Come on. Come on over. There you go. You gotta remove this. Okay, make sure it's tight now. Okay, let's try to measure if we have continuity. Um, Let me see what line does it connect to. 2, 4, 6, 8, 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So if we touch this, this should be. Okay, we're good. Now time to clean up. Now let's hook it up and test to see we have touch again. The connector was not damaged. It's just the filter, the touch filter for the day line was rip off from the board. So basically, we just put it back, and it should have touch function again. Just power up. Okay, so it's working. As you can see, the touch is working now. Okay, it's working again. Well, that's it, guy. This was an easy repair. Not too bad. We thought the connector was broken, but it wasn't. So it's working now. That's an easy fix if you have the right tool. We used the JBC tool. It's rather kind of expensive, but the tip the power, the heat power needed to do this job easy. Without this tip, it would be really hard to fix that really small filter, solder that filter back on. There's not enough room to go around it. You need a really small filter. I'm sorry, a small tip with good heat coming out of the tip as well. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, so we, can post more videos in the future for you. Thanks. See you next time.